Shouvik Chakrabarti there has moved out of the NCB office. We're getting live visuals there. Remember, he's now on 4 days custody with the NCB. He will be questioned on many angles. Shouvik Chakrabarti there. Let's quickly cut across to Mustafa. These are live visuals. Mustafa Sheikh, Shouvik Chakrabarti is just out of the NCB office. Where is he being taken to? He's in 4 days custody until the 9th, we understand.
Yeah, he looks like the another accused who was arrested yesterday in the narcotics case. Mostly Anuj Keswani is the person who has left. We'll have to wait and confirm this. He has been taken for the medical test and that for production in court. This is what we are given to understand. The person who just left didn't look like Shouvik Chakrabarti. He is the person. Can you hear me, Nabila?
I can hear you. Please go on.
Yeah, so we were saying that the accused who was arrested yesterday in the narcotics case has just been taken out from the NCB office. Riya Chakrabarti, Shouvik Chakrabarti are still inside the NCB office, and basically questioning is on. But in this case, as the NCB case is a revolving case and they are making new arrests and new seizures every day. Hence, these people every day are being taken court and for custody. So Anuj Keswani, most likely the person who has been taken, will have to wait for the NCB to confirm, because he was a new person, new face in this entire case, not seen till now. His lawyers had also come some time back asking why he has not been presented in front of the court, because he was arrested yesterday and he was declared arrested since morning. They were waiting for him to be produced in the court, but the NCB didn't do that. They have done it at 3:30 p.m. now. We'll have to see whether court is open, what happens, and whether he gets police custody by when the medical is over. So all these details we are waiting for, Nabila.
Mustafa, do stay with us. Let's quickly cut across to Divyesh joining us. Divyesh, what is Shouvik Chakrabarti doing outside the NCB office? Where is he being taken to? What's next for him? He's going to be in custody, we understand, until the 9th. So where is he being taken now?
Nabila, as of now, we haven't received any information regarding this, but it is being said that Arjun Keswani, who was arrested last evening, he is being taken out. He has been taken out. And Keswani has been arrested. It is the 9th arrest that has been made by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and that is why he's being taken to the court to be produced in court so that his custody could be sought. NCB officials have also made seizure from Arjun Keswani's place. Also, cash has been seized from his Bandra residence, and that is why he's being placed under arrest. Remember, this is a large network, large cartel, which is being busted by the Narcotics Control Bureau as a part of probe which emerged from Riya Chakrabarti's. And now the probe is being expanded. All the players who are part of this network of doobies and butts being smuggled into the country and peddled on the streets of Mumbai and other places across the country is being busted by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Each and every arrest that is being made is from information that is being received from the arrested accused, and that is why the raids are conducted at multiple places. Remember, 4 places were raided initially: Goa, Mumbai, Delhi and Karnataka, after which 2 people were arrested. Then 3 peddlers were arrested from Bandra, Mumbai, and those peddlers now revealed names of Shouvik Chakrabarti being in touch with them. So a kind of reverse investigation is being carried out by Narcotics Control Bureau. Initially, they just had WhatsApp chats which were part of evidence against Riya and Shouvik Chakrabarti, but now they have testimonies of these these peddlers who've been arrested, who have said that Shouvik was in contact with them and indeed procured drugs from them.
Right, Divyesh, here we understand that there's Shouvik and Riya Chakrabarti had to face each other. They were grilled simultaneously, and a lot of developments happened inside. Of course, apart from the fact that they broke down, both of them ended up crying when they saw each other. Can you take us through what that information really is? What really happened inside?
Yeah, Nabila, this is a source-based input that when Riya saw Shouvik at the NCB office, she broke down. And also, Shouvik was quite emotional after seeing his sister. It is a tough time for the family. Both brother and sister are being grilled while the brother has been arrested and booked under the NDPS Act. which is a very quite serious sections have been applied against Shovik, and Riya Chakrabarti could also face same charges and could be placed under arrest. And that is why after seeing Shovik, Riya broke down, and Shovik was also very emotional.
Right. Devesh, we understand that this situation is quite tough for the Chakravarti's family. Here we're looking at Riya Chakravarti, her brother there, Shovik, who's been moved out of the NCB office. He leaves. He's going to be in custody with the NCB for at least 4 days until the 9th of September. Now, all that chats will be completely dissected. Several questions will be asked, posed. A lot of cross-questioning will be carried out. NCB there also trying to look at a larger nexus behind the entire drug mafia here. Where Devesh, what do we know of Shovik Chakravarti now at this moment? Where, if you can repeat to us, where is he being taken to? And after the 9th of September, do you think it's likely that the NCB will ask for prolonged custody? 9th of September is until when the magistrate court there granted him custody, granted the NCB Shovik's custody. Will that be extended? Could that be?
Yeah, definitely, Nabila. The Narcotics Control Bureau could further ask if they fail to gather more clinching evidence against the Chakrabartis and other accused involved, they could seek more time, more custody from the NDPS court, where Shovik Chakrabarti will be produced on 9th of September. But meanwhile, what our sources tell us, that Shovik Chakrabarti is still inside the NCB office and he has not been taken anywhere. It is Arjun Keshwani who was being taken to the court by Narcotics Control Bureau officials so that he could be produced in court. Nabila?
Right. Here we understand that Riya Chakravarti anytime will be taken into custody. Devesh, how likely is that? And now all eyes are on Riya. If at all she will be arrested, considering all those references of banned substances that she's made time and again, do you think an arrest of Riya is likely today?
Nabila, the Narcotics Control Bureau was, since the first day, since the inception of this case, was armed with evidence, armed with clinching evidence, which were the WhatsApp chats where Riya Chakrabarti was seen speaking to, communicating with Shovik Chakrabarti regarding procurement of some banned narcotic substances. But as of now, when we spoke to NCB officials this morning, they have said clearly that they want to build a very strong, watertight case against Riya Chakrabarti. And the said evidence, which is the electronic evidence that they found, could not be enough. They have testimonies of Samuel Miranda, Dipesh Sawant and Shovik Chakrabarti, but they are looking for a confession from Riya Chakrabarti, and they are trying to extract a confession. That is why she is being confronted with Dipesh Sawant, Samuel Miranda, who have said that on instructions of Riya Chakrabarti, they had procured a particular amount of narcotic drugs, and this was facilitated, this drug was facilitated by Shovik Chakrabarti. Remember, Shovik Chakrabarti's messages with Riya Chakrabarti are under question, are questionable, because they are discussing procurement of banned narcotic substances.
Right.
And that is why Narcotics Control Bureau officials have told us that they are looking for more evidence to build a strong case. As of now, there is no procurement.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.